Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest in tech reviews. Today, we're diving into the immersive world of entertainment with the Samsung 85-inch class Neo QLED 4K QN90C TV. Trust me, this is one you don't want to miss. First off, let's talk about design. The Samsung QN90C is an absolute stunner. With its slim bezels and sleek Titan black finish, it's guaranteed to elevate the aesthetics of any room. But hey, looks aren't everything, right? Let's dive deeper into what makes this TV truly exceptional. Picture quality is where the Samsung QN90C truly shines. Featuring quantum matrix with mini LEDs, this TV delivers breathtaking visuals with stunning contrast and vivid colors. Whether you're watching your favorite movie or diving into the latest video game, every detail pops with lifelike clarity. But wait, it gets even better. Say goodbye to mediocre sound systems, because the Samsung QN90C comes equipped with Dolby Atmos and Object Tracking Sound Plus. Get ready to be fully immersed in your favorite content as sound travels seamlessly around you, bringing every scene to life. Now, let's talk gaming. Whether you're a casual gamer or a hardcore enthusiast, the Samsung QN90C has got you covered. With its gaming hub, you can access all your favorite games, streaming services, and more in one convenient place. Plus, with features like Motion Accelerator Turbo Plus, gaming has never been smoother or more responsive. But wait, there's more. The Samsung QN90C comes packed with a host of additional features to enhance your viewing experience. From anti-glare technology for optimal viewing in any lighting condition to Q Symphony for a truly immersive audiovisual experience, this TV has it all. So there you have it, folks. The Samsung 85-inch class Neo QLED 4K QN90C TV is a true powerhouse of entertainment. With its stunning picture quality, immersive sound, and cutting-edge features, it's guaranteed to take your viewing experience to new heights. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Until next time, happy watching.